Hello, I'm Teresa with the Pacific Science Center, and today I'm going to show you some mathematical magic that you can do at home. All you need are a few strips of paper, some markers, a glue stick, and a pair of scissors. I'm going to start by drawing a gold line all the way down the middle of one side. Then flip the paper over and draw a purple line all the way down the middle of the other side. Now, I'm going to glue the ends together to make a loop. But before I do that, I'm going to give the paper a little half twist so that the purple side and the gold side come together. Now what I've made here is a one-sided object called a Mobius strip. How do I know it's one-sided? I can put my fingertips on the gold line right there and trace all the way down the gold side and then all the way down the purple side without ever picking up my fingers. Now let's see what happens when we try to cut a one-sided object in half. I'm going to take my scissors, cut a little bit right there to start me off, and then I'm going to put my scissors in that hole and cut all the way down the line that I drew earlier. Oh wow, that's pretty weird. And that's what happens when you cut a one-sided object in half. But we can try that one more time. With a little bit of a different start, we're going to end up with something a little different. Let's do one more. Gold line down one side. Purple line down the other side. Little bit of glue. Make the purple side and the gold side match up. And now this time, instead of starting my cut right on the line, I'm going to start it a little bit closer to one edge. And now, let's see what we get. Cut all the way down. Still cutting. And now, when I meet up with the start of my cut, I get something a little bit different. Now you can go ahead and try that for yourself.